When was the last time you upgraded your pillow? If you can't remember, or it's been more than 2 years, it's probably time for a change. Your pillow plays a huge role in your sleep quality, and an old, worn-out pillow could be holding you back from the restful night's sleep you deserve. Let's face it, over time, pillows lose their shape, become lumpy, and stop providing the support your neck and shoulders need. Worse, they can accumulate allergens, dust mites, and even bacteria, things you definitely don't want to sleep on. If you're waking up with neck pain or feeling groggy despite a full night's sleep, your pillow might be to blame. That's where the Beckham Hotel Collection bed pillows come in. These luxurious pillows are designed to transform your sleep experience, offering the perfect combination of comfort, support, and durability. Here's what makes them stand out. First, the plush gel fiber filling is incredibly soft yet supportive. No more waking up with a stiff neck. These pillows conform to your head and neck, keeping your spine aligned no matter how you sleep. Second, they're hypoallergenic, making them ideal for anyone with allergies or sensitive skin. Say goodbye to sneezing and itchy eyes caused by dust mites and allergens. And finally, they're machine washable. Yes, you heard that right. Just toss them in the washer and they'll come out looking and feeling like new. Plus, they're fade and stain resistant, so they'll stay fresh and clean for years. With over 100,000 5-star reviews, it's no surprise that people love these pillows. They're not just comfortable, they're also durable and affordable, offering the same quality you'd find in a luxury hotel. And let's be real, who doesn't want to bring that 5-star hotel vibe home? Upgrading your pillows isn't just a luxury, it's an investment in better sleep and better health. So, if you're ready to ditch your old lumpy pillow, click the link in the description and grab the Beckham Hotel Collection bed pillows today. Trust me, your neck and your sleep will thank you.